wherever you are in your life right now, it's from the habits, the day-to-day behavior, the words that you speak has created your reality right now. What have you given up to get to where you want to go? See, the problem is most of you believe it takes a long time to make $1 million. It really doesn't. Just your teachability index is low. Some of you guys right now, you want to be successful, but every day you're not doing something towards your success in your business. See, some of you guys say, well, I haven't drunk in 2 months. Well, I haven't went to the club in 6 months. I haven't chilled with my friends and hung out with them in a couple of months. And you think that's impressive. When you can tell me in the last 5 years, you did no part of it. In 5 years, the only thing that you listen to is freaking personal development. See, some of you guys haven't did it for 1 year. I mean, think about going through 1 year working on something and it seems like it's not working. What is your teachability index now? What is your willingness to learn? And what is your willingness to accept change?
Hi, everyone. This is Coach Laudiaann, and I'm just wanting to make this video for you all because I have a wonderful news for you guys. I have a mentor. He's a millionaire. His name is Wesley Virgin, and he has been a life-changing in my life. And I wanted to share with you guys 2 books, okay? If you ever happen to take the course of the Overnight Millionaire, I recommend you guys to get that course. I took a step, took action, and I'm glad I did purchase that because it's actually have opened up my eyes to how I have been thinking wrong all these years since birth till now. And now I have a new mindset. I'm learning how to use that mindset right now. I'm learning how to reprogram my mind right now. And it's absolutely, I've been touched by it. And I know I'm not the only one because my mentor helps those that don't have anything. And like, if you have a mentor, they want to mentor you. I mean, what do they really want? They want you to pay lots and lots of money. Guess what? My mentor's not like that. He has a giving heart, and he wants to help anyone that to get from where they are from zero to having millions of dollars like him. And he wants to duplicate that. And so far he has transformed people's lives already. They are now millionaires because he have taught them how to really be creative, get a bigger picture of your dream, to bring that out of you, because I know everybody has buried dreams, and we are all surrounded with negative environment. People are so negative now. Now is the time, you guys. If you want to become successful, you gotta get away from all the negative people. You gotta learn to keep away from them, because the mind, what you're believing for always has to be in a state of alpha. And I wanted to share with you guys these 2 books. Breaking the Habits of Being Yourself. This is one of the books that Wesley Virgin actually wants you to get. All right. When you participate in the Overnight Millionaire System, this is a book that you need to get. Okay. It is required. And also what's required is the second book called Secrets of a Millionaire Mind. You guys have to get these 2 books. Once you signed up and you take this course step by step, each step is going to tell you to accomplish. You got to go from step 1 and then to the next step and then to the next step. And don't skip any steps, because that's not what he wants you to do. He wants you to take 1 step at a time. And this is one of the steps. All right. After you do a few of the steps, he's going to tell you to get these 2 books. So guys, get prepared, get your mind ready, and with a reset mindset. I am so happy that you guys are listening to my video. Anyway, I want you guys to have a blessed day. Focus, work hard, make videos, improve your YouTube channel. If you guys are in the YouTube channel and you're subscribed to that group, guys, we need to help each other. We got to be a team. We got to be strong, and we got to do away all negative thoughts. Okay, nobody fight, nobody complain. Okay, everybody work together because we're all in it together to become successful, and that is our goal. All right, guys, take care and let's go and do that job. Okay, bye.